Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best cable management floor is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components for maintaining a clean, safe, and professional-looking space, whether it's your home office, living room, or even a commercial setting. These ingenious solutions are designed to tame the unruly spaghetti of wires that plague modern life, transforming cluttered areas into streamlined environments that not only look better but also reduce tripping hazards and make cleaning much easier. Number 5. Yecaye Cord Hider Cable Management Kit. Tired of messy cables? This solution is perfect for concealing single low-voltage wires like power cords or speaker cables. Achieve a clean, minimalistic look in any room. Each kit provides 8 cable channels, offering ample coverage for your home or office projects. It includes everything you need for maximum cable concealment. Installation is a breeze with our strong adhesive mounting tape. It ensures a secure attachment to your walls or desk, providing dependable wire concealment. Go beyond just organizing cables. This product enhances the aesthetic of your walls and workspace, adding a sophisticated touch to your decor. Keep your family safe, especially children and pets. Organizing cables significantly reduces tripping hazards and potential dangers. It's a vital addition for a secure home environment. What we like. This one is perfect for tidying up a single, low-voltage cable. Its strong adhesive tape ensures a secure and easy installation along walls or desks. If you're looking to maintain a clean, minimalist aesthetic with just 1 or 2 small wires, this is an excellent choice for your home or office. What people say. This cord hider works great and was very easy to install. It sticks well to the wall, holds the cable neatly in place, and gives everything a much cleaner look. This cord hider is a great solution for hiding cables along walls. 113 inches gives you plenty of length and it paints over easily if you want it to blend in perfectly. Snaps open and close easily to add or remove cables. It was incredibly easy to install with the adhesive backing, and the fact that it's paintable helped it blend perfectly into my room. It's also a huge relief knowing the wires are tucked away safely for my pets and kids. Number 4. Cordinate 6-foot heavy-duty floor cord cover. Ensure safety in your space by concealing your cables. This product prevents tripping hazards and protects your cords from damage. Its low-profile, rounded design offers a smooth finish to hide wires and extension cords. Wheels can easily roll over it, and its black color blends well with your surroundings. Installation is a breeze thanks to the split channel on the bottom. It attaches securely to most surfaces with the included double-sided tape, no cutting required. Measuring 6 feet long, it can be easily cut to fit shorter needs. Its slim width ensures a perfect fit for managing cables in any home or office. Constructed from durable, flexible PVC material, it's perfect for high-traffic areas. This cord hider is ideal for event venues or warehouses needing reliable cable management. What we like. This product is built to protect cords on open floors and prevent tripping hazards. Its durable PVC material and low-profile, rounded design allow wheels to roll over it easily, blending discreetly with your decor. If you need a robust solution for high-traffic areas or want to safely run extension cords across floors, this heavy-duty option is ideal. What people say. The Cable Management Floor Protector is a great solution for keeping cables tidy and safe. It effectively hides and protects wires, preventing tripping hazards and making the area look much cleaner. The material is durable and flexible, allowing it to conform to different floor surfaces without issue. Number 3. DMoose Cable Management Box, 2-pack. Tired of messy cords? Our premium cord management box completely conceals power strips and tangled wires. Instantly transform your space into an organized haven. Keep your loved ones safe. Our secure clasps prevent curious children and pets from accessing hazardous cords and outlets. Enjoy a clean and organized aesthetic. Crafted from high-quality, fire-retardant ABS material, it safeguards your electronics from dust and potential hazards. This extends the lifespan of your valuable devices. Effortlessly manage multiple cables with strategically placed entry points. The spacious interior easily houses standard power strips, keeping everything organized and accessible. This set includes large and medium boxes with anti-slip pads to keep them firmly in place. Maintain a clean and organized space wherever you need it. What we like. This offers a complete solution to hide power strips and tangled cords, creating an instantly organized environment. Its child and pet-safe design with secure clasps prevents access to hazardous outlets. If you prioritize safety and want to declutter multiple areas like your office or entertainment center, this premium box is a great pick. What people say. These boxes are 6 wide, so they accommodate double wide and square power strips as well as single wide. One holds larger chargers. All is hidden. I just pull my connector out the slit on the side of the box to charge my laptop. A large charging strip fits inside the box so multiple items can charge at the same time. The white with very realistic looking wood top works well in rooms that have hardwood floors and is particularly well suited for applications that require something fairly small to sit on top of it, like a cell phone or, in my case, the remote receiver for a subwoofer. Number 2. DMoose Cable Management Box, 2-pack. Tired of messy cables? Our premium cord management box completely conceals power strips and tangled cords. Enjoy an instantly organized environment in your home office or entertainment center. Keep your loved ones safe with our secure cable organizer box. It prevents curious children and pets from accessing hazardous cords and outlets, maintaining a clean and organized look. Constructed from high-quality, fire-retardant ABS material, it safeguards your electronics from dust, spills, and potential hazards. This extends the lifespan of your devices. Featuring strategically placed entry points, it accommodates multiple cables while keeping them organized and accessible. The spacious interior houses standard power strips with ease. This pack includes large and medium boxes with anti-slip pads to keep them firmly in place. Maintain a clean and organized space in any room with this long-lasting cable protection solution. What we like. This option is designed to completely conceal power strips and tangled cords, transforming your space into a tidy haven. It features a child and pet-safe design with secure clasps for added protection. If you're looking for a clean, organized aesthetic in white and need to protect your loved ones from electrical hazards, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These boxes are 6 wide, so they accommodate double wide and square power strips as well as single wide. The value is excellent since the package has 2 storage boxes. I got a 2-pack of these cable organizer boxes and love them. One holds larger chargers. All is hidden. I just pull my connector out the slit on the side of the box to charge my laptop. A large charging strip fits inside the box so multiple items can charge at the same time. Number 1. WILLBOND Carpet Cord Cover Cable Protector. Tired of messy cables cluttering your office floor? Introducing a simple solution to keep your cords organized and out of the way. It's designed to minimize tripping hazards, ensuring a safer environment for everyone. Installation is a breeze with its hook and loop design. Just place it over your cables on the carpet, and it grips securely. You can even cut it to the perfect length for your needs. This cable protector is built to last. You can open and close it repeatedly without leaving any sticky residue behind. Plus, it's easy to remove and clean, making it a reusable solution for your cable management. Each roll provides ample length and a convenient width, ensuring it meets all your cable management requirements. Get the coverage you need without any hassle. Designed specifically for commercial office carpets, it works wonderfully on various short pile carpets. Keep your workspace tidy and professional with this versatile solution. What we like. This solution is specifically designed for managing cables on commercial office carpets. Its hook and loop design makes installation simple and allows for repeated use without adhesive residue. If you have short pile, dense carpets and need an easy, reusable way to secure cables and prevent tripping hazards, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Sticks like it's meant to be there, you just lay it down and press, no adhesive, no Velcro, no tools. It grips the carpet like magic. No more sticky residue or hours of scraping off gunk when teardown time comes. Zero trip hazard, it lies flat, covers cables securely, and does not budge. Once it's down, people can walk on it, roll carts over it, whatever, the cables stay protected and out of sight. Reusable and professional, this isn't a one-and-done solution. When the event's over, pull it up, roll it up, and you're ready for the next gig. Looks better than duct tape, works better than gaff tape, and feels like something you'd see in a high-end install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.